So, a quick video of Treneth. You'll be familiar with that landscape, or vista should I say. New wall on our neighbours. Front door just temporary, I can assure you. No, well, the doorknob is temporary. So we go through. It's the hallway. Little cupboard for you. Hopefully you can get that. So we walk through. This is the sitting room, complete with Christmas tree. Anna cooking, sweeping the floor. Washing machine, dishwasher, or the dryer. That's the dishwasher. Here's the kitchen. Stone pillar. That's the kitchen area.
There you go. Right.
Fireplace, dining room.
Oh, Amber, stop posting them down your front. That's not very clever, is it?
And now up to the stairs. I think we ought to actually take you into the new bathroom. This is the wet room. Into the spare bedroom. Then we'll take you up the stairs.
Come back with some hot tea.
Into the twin room. The stone wall that obviously Mum hates. And then into the master bedroom. And then into the corridor. There's a loo here. Bathroom here. With the shower. These are the tiles. And then finally, the new bedroom on the first floor. And that's the garden, yet to be complete. Thanks for watching.